Hi, my name is Anya, and today I really want to show you how to make chocolate mousse with water. I know that sounds crazy, how can you make chocolate mousse with water? But for today's video, I'll show you how to do it. So if you like this video, please leave a like, and don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload. And don't forget to subscribe to see more of my videos. This water chocolate mousse is so easy to make. In a bowl, add in 250 grams of melted milk chocolate. I use Cadbury since it's my favorite, but feel free to use any other milk chocolate. Then add in half of a quarter cup of boiling water to the melted chocolate and mix until the mixture becomes crumbly. Once the mixture has become crumbly, then add in the rest of the hot water. You will start to see that the mixture will become smooth. Add in a quarter cup of cocoa powder and mix until smooth and glossy. Just look how smooth and shiny that is. I absolutely love making this chocolate mousse just because of this part. It's so smooth and glossy. Whip 500 ml of cream until stiff peaks form. Then add a little to the chocolate mixture just to lighten the mixture up a bit. Then add the chocolate mixture to the whipped cream. And using the folding method, fold in the mixture. Once the mixture has been folded in, place the mixture into the fridge for 30 minutes. Cut mini cake rounds in half. Pipe the chocolate mousse on top, then add another layer of cake on top of that. Add another layer on top of that. And finish off with some more mousse. Continue to do this for the rest of the mousse. I added a mint leaf on top of mine, but feel free to add some strawberries or blueberries or anything else you would want. And look how cute these little mousse cakes look. The chocolate mousse is so creamy and smooth. I hope you try to make this yummy water chocolate mousse. And enjoy!